Hey everyone! In this part we will cover CSS positioning and modal. So we will go to Google. We will search modal in Bootstrap. We will click this first link and we will copy this live demo code. This is button code which is launching the modal below. It is calling the modal with the ID written here, which is example modal. We will copy this code and we will paste in gallery page or any page you want. Now we will copy the button code and we will paste above in body area. Now we will check is it working or not. We will run page on live server so you can see it works. Now I will change the content of the model. And I will call the model on aref link, href link. You can see it is working on the link. Here on the link I copied two things. The first one is data toggle, which will make the model visible. And the second thing, I target which model should be visible. So every time we click the handler which will call these two things. We will remove the button and see it is working perfectly. Now we will make the model more simple. We will remove the footer and the header. We will copy the data multiple times. Now see, our model is very simple and clean. You can use any content like images, videos, anything you want here. We will also increase the size of the model. Just add modal-lg. We will check it is working now. Now we will make two columns in the model. So we will wrap the first content in the first div and we will copy the same content to the second div. We will check now if it is working. See, it's not working because the Bootstrap grid system doesn't support without row div. So we will keep the both div inside the div with raw class. Now you can check it is working. Now I will tell you how it is working. Before we use call-md-12. This time we want to allocate half screen to the div, so we will use 6. I hope you like the class today. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.